If you want to take your tailgating to the next level, you have to try these beer-battered Boss Bites. These are so good. You won't believe how flavorful these are. It's going to blow your mind. Let me show you how. Let's go. We're going to use Teton's Water Ranch bratwurst. This is great. This one's 100% grass-fed beef. Let's go. All right, let's first start off by slicing the sausage. We're going to do it long ways, and then we're going to cut those in half. All right, let's work on our beer batter. It sounds difficult, but it's really not. It's flour, salt, garlic powder, cornstarch, and a little bit of paprika. And of course, the beer. You can't have beer batter without the beer. For this, you're gonna slowly pour it in, little at a time, and mixing as you go. And fun fact for this, the colder the beer, the better it is. What's your go-to beer? Let me know in the comments. Keep watching to see how this simple batter transformed these brats into something incredible. Let's throw down some avocado oil. This has a good high smoke heat. Dip our sausages into the batter. It's giving off pancake vibes. You're just gonna mix those all around. You want to coat every single one of them. Then once you see that white smoke, you're gonna throw them on the Blackstone. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You want a nice golden look to it. Let me know, you guys gonna give this a try? This is the perfect brown that you want to get. Yeah, it really does remind me of a pancake. I wonder if I could pass it off to my kids for it. Should I try? Let me know in the comments and I'll record the reaction. Now that these are just about ready, let's put them to the side and do our buns. Let's throw down some butter so that our buns will get nice and crispy. Throw those buns on, don't be shy. Now let's assemble. I'm using honey mustard. I like that sweet with that spicy. Throw on those beautiful sausages. Throw on some pickled red onions. And top it off with that honey mustard. Cheers. Now this is tailgating to the next level. Woo! Man, this is so good. If you like this and you want to see more, subscribe, hit that subscribe, and let's go!